And this is the box that the Snom repeater comes in. If we open it up here, we will find out that there's some legal stuff and some repeater documents there. And here is the repeater itself. It's pretty simple. It looks like there's a little light in the lower right, and it looks like there's one plug in the back and a nice place to mount it on. So it's just a small unit there. And also, looks like there's some mounting screws there with it. And you can pull that out with one hand. Looks like this is the power plug. And I would guess that that has international plug with it too, if we can. And I guess I'm wrong. It looks like this one is only a USA. You need an adapter if you want to use it somewhere else. Alright. Alright, now we're going to install the Snom repeater. And what I understand, this is the first time I'm doing it, but what I understand is all we need to do is on the base station, right underneath here, there is a reset button, and all we need to do is press that and then plug in the repeater to get it to register. So I'm going to press that button, and I see the lights are changing there. And if I can find the end of the plug here, I'm gonna plug in the repeater down here. And we'll watch the light there, see what happens. Maybe if we can hold them together, we'll see them both coming on here. And the repeater should register with the Snom M3 base station. See the lights blinking a little faster there. It's something I didn't see before. And looks like it's solid now. I think that means that there it's blinking again. We'll be back in just a minute to give you an update. Alright, the registration didn't take effect there. I'm not sure why. So I'm just repeating the process, and we'll see if it takes effect. The instructions act like that could happen, and they say you're just supposed to repress the reset button on the Snom base station and try it again. So that's what I'm doing here. And understand, if the light comes on solid on the repeater, that means it's registered, and it looks like we've got a solid light. So it looks like I needed to do it twice. I did the exact same thing, just while the Snom M3 was, oh, there it's blinking again. While the Snom 3 was on, I just pressed the reset button with the Snom repeater unplugged and then plugged it back in. Okay, looks like it's registered. So now we're going to go and check if I have increased range with the Snom M3. Alright, okay, I just tested this Snom M3 approximately 90 feet from the base unit, which it was breaking up before, and now with the repeater setup it works perfectly. So I guess I would say I'm impressed by the Snom M3 repeater. And I just thought I'd point out, I thought the instructions were a little poor, but I'm noticing on the back of the page it has really simple instructions, 1, 2, 3, basically what I outlined. But it's really the Snom M3 repeater is very easy to install, and it truly does increase the range of the Snom M3. So I can really recommend it for just, I think it's just a bit over $100, maybe $150 US. Alright, thank you.